Hey, what's up everybody? This is Olaf for Mobile WizTech. Today I want to talk about and do an installation for the Easy Outlet Shelf Mount by Mount Genie. So stay tuned. Now, as you can see on the back of the box, you can use this with multiple devices such as cameras, other assistants, or Bluetooth speakers, or what have you. But what makes this compatible with the Google Nest Hub is this shelf adapter that comes with your purchase. Now, inside the box, you have an installation guide that guides you through on getting this whole thing set up. Also, you have your parts, which you have your wedge that will go on either side of your outlet, and this is your shelf that will connect right onto it, just like so, or hook onto it, should I say. And then you would place your shelf adapter on top and then your Nest Hub on top. All right, so the first step that you're going to do is go ahead and loosen up the plate that's on your outlet. So go ahead and get a screwdriver, loosen it up, and then you want to make sure there's a little bit of space back there so that way you can install your wedge. So you install that and then tighten it back up. And then you want to make sure that the wedge is on there sturdy. Next, you're going to go ahead and grab your shelf and then detach it. And now once you have that detached, grab the bottom part of the shelf and then grab your Google Nest Hub plug. And then you're going to coil the cable right in there, fish it through the hole. And then you're going to fish it right through the second part, which is the top part of the shelf, and then attach the shelf together. And now once that's done, you're going to go ahead and then just plug in that plug for your Google Nest Hub. And then install the shelf onto that wedge. And now the next part is to go ahead and grab your adapter and then place it right on there. Now, once you're done with that, the easiest part is to go ahead and grab your Google Nest Hub and then plug in that portion right into your Google Nest Hub and then easily just place it right on top of the shelf. And once your screen turns on, you know you have successfully installed your mount for your Google Nest Hub. Now, what's cool about this particular one, it can swivel from left to right. And also what's cool about this mount does not hog up both plugs, meaning like space wise. So as you can see here, you can still plug in something else into the outlet. So there you have it. Very easy to install. It's available on Amazon, and I do have a link in the description. Please use that link as it does help me out. As always, I do thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and also share and comment. And until next time, keep it mobile.